ahyia na yensaka eye goalkeeper trainer wono ene the goalkeeper trainer for Kwara United yeno no betwitwe nkomo na yahwe how prepared womo eye for eye that game no na yahwe how anema enso betimi akọ de amam. Welcome to Kesben TV.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So you are the goalkeeper trainer for Kwara United.
Yeah.
Well, how prepared are you ahead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then Kwara United game?
Yeah, we know that the game on Sunday it's going to be a big game, and we are very ready for them because we know what we saw over there. So we're always ready, and we take the game minute by minute and see how it goes. Of course, it's a big motivation for us. We scoring 3 goals in Asante ground, very big motivation, and we hopefully, by God's grace, we crown our effort on Sunday. 100% sure.
You are very sure?
Yeah.
That you score Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
Of course, I'm very sure.
Really?
Yeah, by God's grace. Yeah, we are very confident for that.
How did you see the team? You play against them at the Accra Sports Stadium the last time. How did you see them? Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
They are good side. They are not pushover. Very good side. Experienced side also. So, and the funny thing is that they underrate us, and they can see that it's very clear now that it's not going to be easy both sides, but by God's grace we come out victorious. I'm always a believer, so that's it. I always believe, and it will come true.
Yamobi bi akwaba ede eba Abiola Sports Stadium nyame aya adoma aha ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko womo ene Kwara boboko no enso ede omo akensie no ebetumi ede ahye so coming Sunday na yenyo mu abrante ba kwa ne dim ede John Mark okai abrante we atama Kotoko ene Kwara boboko no ehia ye ewo Accra Sports Stadium no wono ena enya 2 goals ede ema Kwara boboko ni menenu ebe twitwe nkomo na yafe yahwe hawa preparation omo ahead of that game no yahwe hawa niama enso ebetumi akom ede amamo John Mark. Welcome to Kesben TV.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm fine. Well, right now I can't say much, but all I can say is that we are well prepared. We are ready for Sunday, and then we are good to go. Well, I don't have much to say. All I have to say right now that I'm good to go. And on Sunday we'll see how it ends. That's just it. Yeah, pretty sure.
How sure are you?
120. We are pretty sure about it. The confidence are in, my teammates are ready, and I am ready as well.
So on Sunday we are going to defeat Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
Definitely, yes, 100%. Yeah.
All right.
Well, I just have to appreciate the love and support both from my opponent side and from my home base Kwara United fans. I just have to say thank you for the love and the support. That's it. All I have to say once again, let's wait for Sunday and see how it goes. That's all.
Yamobi bi akwaba ede eba Kesben TV so yabobi piemu ewo Abiola Sports Stadium aha ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyame aduma Sunday womo ene Kwara United boboko no enso ebetumi ere apem so menu ekase Kwara United team no enso so eni womo aba na se game back ekoso enso so ewo stadium ha na omo eba ababehwe sa game na face no nyame aduma ochina womo ene Kotoko boboko no enso etumi ere apem so. How are you? So on Sunday you are having a match between Kumasi Asante Kotoko. How prepared are you guys?
We are already prepared.
Really?
Yeah, really prepared.
What should we expect from you guys?
Yeah, we are really sure. Sure.
Are you sure you will beat Kotoko because they beat you at Accra?
Sure, we will win, then we will qualify.
Sure?
Sure.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah. What should we expect from you guys tomorrow on Sunday? Are you sure you are going to beat Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
Very careful, sir.